Jai Gurudev students. Now we will start third question of exercise 5.1. In the third question, what we have to find for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Means here AP given and from the AP we have to find or we have to write the first term and the common difference. Are you finding? This AP is an infinite AP. Okay, so can you tell me what is the first term? First term you are getting here as a 3. Okay, they have asked we have to find the common difference. Okay, and the common difference formula yesterday we have seen, that is A2 minus A1. What is A2? Second term is 1, and what is A1? First term is minus 3. 1 minus 3 means minus 2. So what is the common difference? Here we got in this problem minus 2. Second AP is minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7, comma, dot dot dot. So what is the first term here? The first term is Z, that is we are calling as A1 or A, that is minus 5. And what is the common difference? The common difference D we are calling. So what's the formula for that? A2 minus A1. What is the second term? That is minus 1. Minus, what is the first term? Is a minus 5. Are you finding this is a minus 1? Minus into minus is a plus. So what is a minus 1 plus 5 is a 4. So what is the common difference? That is a 4. Third problem, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3 and the dot dot dot. So what is the first term in this AP? First term, are you finding? Yes, 1 by 3. What is the common difference? The common difference is A2, that is we are calling as a D, A2 minus A1. Which is the second term? That is 5 by 3. And what is the first term? 1 by 3. Is it? You are finding denominator is same. So what we will do? 5 minus 1 by 3 and that is nothing but 4 by 3. So here we got common difference is 4 by 3. Fourth problem, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9 dot dot dot. Okay. So in this problem, what is the first term? The first term is equal to 0.6. And what is the common difference? The common difference D. In a short way we can say D also. That is formula we have to write A2 minus A1. So what we will get? A2 is 1.7. And what is A1's first term? 0.6. Everyone knows this subtraction 1.7 minus 0.6. 7 minus 6, 1. Then decimal point and 1 minus 0, 1. So what you will get here D is 1.1. Fourth problem. Which of the following are APs? If they form AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms. Okay, means here first problem 2, 4, 8, 16 dot dot dot, they are given one sequence. Okay, here we have a, means we can find A2 minus A1. What is A2? 4. What is A1? 2. What we will get? 2. Then again A3 minus A2, which we are finding it is nothing but the D, that is the common difference. A3 minus A2. What is A3? Third term 8. And what is the second term? Minus 4. Means 4. Okay. Here A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. Okay. Means we want every time D will be the equal. And if you are finding in the first when we had done A2 minus A1 we got 2. When we had done A3 minus A2, we got as a 4. So here A2 minus A1, which is not equal to A3 minus A2, therefore the given list of the number do not form AP. Do not form AP. And they do not form AP, that's why we can't find the common difference and the 3 more terms. Second problem, the given sequence is 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. These sequence have to find AP or not, that we have to check. So what we will find here, we will find A2 minus A1. What is A2? Second term, tell me. 5 by 2 minus. What is the first term? 2. Here we can write 2 by 1 because we have to do as a subtraction. What we will get, LCM is a 2. 5 minus this, when we will make as a 2, we have to multiply by 2 also numerator. So minus 4. So what we will get? 1 by 2. Okay. Again we will find A3 minus A2. What is A3? As a 3. What is A2? 5 by 2. Again we have to do as a subtraction. LCM is a 2. 3 2s are 6 minus 5, which is 1 by 2. For again we will find A4 minus A3. What is A4? 7 by 2 minus what is A3? That is 3 by 1. Again LCM is a 2. 7 minus 3 2s are 6 and 7 minus 6 is 1 by 2. Are you finding? Every case you got 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. That is AK plus 1 minus AK is same every time. Every time means the value of a D is the same every time. Therefore, the given list of the number form an AP with common difference. With common difference D is equal to 1 by 2. And they have asked, or they had, if the given sequence form an AP, then we have to find 3 more terms. How many terms they have given? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next term is 5. So we will find that is 3 more terms are. Okay. First term is A5. Can you tell me what is the formula of A5? That is A plus 4D. What is the first term? 2 plus 4. And what is the D? Here 1 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. So you will get 2 plus 2 means 4 is the fifth term. Next term is 6. A6. A6 means A plus 5D formula, which is equal to 2 plus 5 1 by 2. So 2 plus 5 by 2. Can you tell me 2 plus 5 by 2? 2 2s are 4 means you will get 4 plus 5 by 2 means 9 by 2. This is 6th term. A7. A plus 6D. What's the value of A? 2 plus 6 and D's value 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 2 plus 3 means 5. So 3 more terms are 3 more terms are, first term is 4 means next fifth term. Sixth term is 9 by 2 and seventh term is 5. Third problem, minus 1 by 2, comma, minus 3 by 2, comma, minus 5 by 2, comma, minus 7 by 2, dot, dot, dot. Here again we have to check it is going to form an AP. Again what we will find? A2 minus A1. What is A2? Minus 3.2 minus in the bracket minus 1.2. Okay. So what we will get? Minus 3.2. Minus into minus is a plus 1.2. And everyone know minus 3.2 plus 1.2, subtraction is a minus 2. Okay. Next A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 5.2 minus in the bracket minus 3.2. So what we will get? Minus 5.2 minus minus is a plus and 3.2. Both are having the different sign, that's why we are doing as a subtraction. Subtraction, everyone know 5.2 minus 3.2 means 0 and here is a 2. But sign should be of a greater number. So we will get as a minus 2. Again A4 minus A3 minus 7.2. Actually no need to find the third term, but sometimes the third means A4 minus A3, but sometimes in the first two case we are getting the same and third case means A4 minus A3 we are getting the different value. That's why at least we have to find the D 3 times, that is A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. Minus 7.2 minus of minus 5.2. What we will get? Minus 7.2 minus of minus is plus 5.2. That's why we will get minus 2. Are you finding? Everywhere minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 means that is AK plus 1 minus AK is same every time. Okay. If it is same every time, therefore the given list of the number form an AP. Form an AP. AP form, they are forming the AP with common difference. Are you finding what is the D here? Every time minus 2. Now we have to find the next 3 terms. Okay. Now the next 3 terms are A5, A6, A7. Formula of A5, A plus 4D. What the value of A here? As a minus 1.2 plus 4 into what the value of D we got? Minus 2. Okay, so what we will get? Minus 1.2 minus into plus is a minus, 4 2s are 8, means obvious we will get here both are negative means we will get minus 9.2 as a sum of these two numbers. Now next A6, A plus 5D. A plus 5D means first term is 1.2 plus 5 into minus 2 minus 1.2 minus into plus is a minus, 5 2s are 10. 1.2 minus 1.2 minus 10 is nothing but minus 11.2. Okay, next A7, A plus 6D. A is minus 1.2 plus 6 into minus 2 minus 1.2 plus into minus 6 2s are 12 and the addition of this number is minus 13.2. So which are the next 3 terms? 9.2 minus 11.2 minus 13.2. Fifth problem. 3 comma 3 plus root 2 comma 3 plus 2 root 2 comma 3 plus 3 root 2 dot dot dot, and this sequence is forming an AP or not, that we have to check. So what we have to do? A2 minus A1. So A2 is 3 plus root 2 minus 3. What we will get here as a 3 plus root 2 minus 3 cancel and we will get root 2. Next A3 minus A2. A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. Again we will open the bracket. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus 1. This is root 2 means 1 root 2. 3 will cancel. 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is nothing but root 2. Again next term is A4 minus A3. A4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 and minus A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2. Again what you are finding here? 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay. 3 will cancel. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is nothing but the root 2. Everywhere A2 minus A1 is root 2. A3 minus A2 is again root 2 we got. and a4 minus a3 is again a root 2. So we have to say a, that is ak plus 1 minus ak, is the same every time. Therefore the given list of the number form the AP. If it is form AP, that's why we have to find the next three term, that is A5, A6, A7. Now we have to find the next three terms because the given sequence form an AP. So A5 is nothing but A plus 4D. First term is nothing but 3, and what is the D we got as a root 2. Means next term is A5 is 3 plus 4D because addition can't be possible. This is rational number and this is irrational number. If you are thinking 3 plus 4 is a 7 root 2, but it is not a possible. Next it is A plus 5D. A means 3 and 5 into D means 5 root 2. And this we have to keep as it is. So A6 is 3 plus 5 root 2. And here again 3 plus 6 root 2. Then this is a seventh term. So next three terms are 3 plus 4 root 2, 3 plus 5 root 2, 3 plus 6 root 2. Now sixth problem. First term 0.2, second term 0.22, third term 0.222, then fourth term 0.2222. What we have to find? This sequence form an AP or not, we have to check. Obvious, we have to find first A2 minus A1, that is a D. What is second term? 0.22 minus 0.2. So subtraction everyone knows, 0.22, 0.2. After 2 there remains as a 0. So 2 minus 0 is 2. This is 0.0. Means what is the answer of this? 0.02. Next A3 minus A2. What's A3? 0.222 minus. What is A2? 0.22. Again subtraction see, 0.222 and here 0.22, here 0. Means what we, here 2 minus 0 is 2, this is 0, this is also 0 point this. Means here we got 0.002. Are you finding A2 minus A1 is 0.02 but A3 minus A2 is 0.002. Means it is not same. Here we will say since A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2, therefore the given list of the number do not form AP. If it is 12th problem, root 2, comma, root 8, comma, root 18, comma, root 32 dot dot dot. Now A2 minus A1 we will find. A2 is root 8 minus root 2. You will think root 8 minus root 2 can't be possible. But root 8 can be written as 4 into 2 and 4 square root of 4 is 2. 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is root 2. Okay. Means here we got D, that is A2 minus A1 value is root 2. Now A3 minus A2. So what is the third term? Root 18. Root 18 minus root 8. Always keep in mind root 18 can be written as 9 into 2, 9 2 is 18. And root 8 can be written as 4 into 2. So 9 we will take out common. So we will take out square root of 9 is a 3. That's why we will write 3 root 2 minus square root of 4 is 2 root 2. And 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is nothing but again root 2. Next is root 32. Root 32 can be written as 16 into 2 minus 18 can be written as 9 into 2. Okay, 16 square root is 4. Square root of 16 is 4. But square root of 2 can't be possible. That's why we have to keep in a square root. Minus square root of 9 is 3 root 2. Again 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2 is 1 root 2 means root 2. We are not writing in this way. That's why we have to write root 2 only. Are you finding A2 minus A1 value is 2 root 2. A3 minus A2 value root 2 and A4 minus A3 value again we got the root 2. Means here we can say AK plus 1 minus AK is same every time. Therefore, the given list of the number form an AP. So, we have to find the next three terms, right? Next three terms are A5. We have to find A5, A6, A7. A5, A plus 4D. Now, what is the value of first? That is root 2. And 4 as it is, and D value is root 2. This is 1 root 2. Plus 4 root 2 is 5 root 2. And if we will take in 5 in a square root sign, so it will become 25. Square of 5 is 25 into 2 means we can say root of 50. Means A5 you can write 5 root 2 also and in root 50 also. Next again root 2 plus 5 root 2. 1 root 2 plus 5 root 2 is nothing but 6 root 2. 6 we will take in a square root, it will become 6 square is 36. 36 into 2 means root of 72. We can say 6 root 2 also and root of 72 also. Here root 2 plus 6 root 2, 1 root 2 plus 6 root 2 means 7 root 2, and 7 when it will we will take in a square root sign, then it will become 49 because 7 square is 49 into 2 and 49 into 2 is 98. Therefore, we can say next three terms are root 50, root 72, root 98. Next 13th problem, root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. Here again we have to check the given list of the number form an AP or not. A2 minus A1, A2 is root 6 and A1 is root 3. Are it is possible root 6 minus root 3? No. Means here we have to keep as it is. We can't do that is root 6 minus root 3 means root 3 if you are thinking. Okay. Then A3 minus A2. A3 third term is root 9 and the second term is root 6. Root 9 means 3 minus root 6. Are you finding this term and this term is same? No. We will say since A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2, therefore the given list of the number do not form AP. Okay. 14th problem. 1 square, comma, 3 square, comma, 5 square, comma, 7 square. Here also we have to check whether it is form an AP. So A2 minus A1. What is A2? 3 square minus 1 square. 3 square is 9. 1 square is 1. So we will get 9 minus 1 is 8. A3 minus A2. 5 square minus 3 square. 5 square is 25 and 3 square is 9. So what we will get here, 25 minus 9 is nothing but 16. Are you finding? As 8 and 16 means say no. Here we will say since A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2, therefore the given list of the number do not form AP. Form AP. Okay. Now the rest problem is a homework for you because you have to also try yourself. Okay, and if you are having some problem, then I will again explain. Jai Gurudev.